Model 2013 Volkswagen Caddy C20 Diesel 1.6 TDI 102PS Startline van body, blue, panel van mileage, 79,194 engine, 1,598 cc 1.6 TDI 102PS transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect, slight underpowered number 2 injector will need replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, parking sensors, aircon EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £5,950. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on